Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to play Xbox Game Pass on the Steam Deck. Start by turning on your Steam Deck. Press the Steam button on the left side of the device. Scroll down to Power and select Switch to Desktop. The system will change from the console-style interface to a desktop environment that works like a regular computer. Once you are in desktop mode, look at the taskbar and open the Discover Software Center. It has a blue shopping bag icon. In the search bar, type Microsoft Edge. When it appears in the results, click Install and wait for the download to finish. After the browser is installed, open the Steam application while still in desktop mode. At the top of the Steam window, click Games. From the drop-down menu, choose Add a non-Steam game to my library. A list of installed programs will appear. Find Microsoft Edge, check the box next to it, and click Add selected programs. Next, go to your Steam library and locate Microsoft Edge. Right-click it and select Properties. In this section, you need to add special launch arguments that allow the Steam Deck controller to work properly with Xbox Cloud Gaming. These launch options are provided in the official Microsoft support guide. Once this is done, close the windows and return to the desktop. Double-click the icon that says Return to Gaming Mode. When Gaming Mode loads again, open your Steam library and find Microsoft Edge. Launch it. Go to the Xbox Cloud Gaming website. Sign in with your Microsoft account and start playing your Game Pass games. Thanks for watching.